Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show how I use my session management for my home page. You can see my e-commerce application now. This is my sign up page. Now I'm going to sign in. In here I gave my email and password. So now I can sign in to my account. Here is my home page. Firstly, you can see my header. There is my button, my shop. So there have welcome and gave my account name, and we have sign out button. We have eShop icon, and we have searching bar and choose categories button. Also we have search button. After that we have my cursor. I explained it my previous video, so I'm not explaining again because it's time wasting. You can see my all categories in here: cell phones and accessories, computer and tablets, cameras, camera drones, video game consoles, microphones, headsets, batteries. Those are my categories. So here is my categories. In here here is my items. Here is my cell phone items. So I put some mobile phone for sale. So I gave phone name and their price, and it's in stock or out of stock, and I gave how much we have that item. Also in here we can buy it, or in this button we can add to client cart. Also I create another 3 items here. These 3 also same. So when we see my last one, you can see it's like a white color, like it's not same like these 3 because this is out of stock. So we can't buy it or add to cart. So also I gave name for it, and I gave price for that. So those are my items, and I added image for my items. It show to my client who looks like. I guess this is my home page. Now I'm going to explain my session part in my backend. So here we go. Okay guys, this is my backend part. Now I'm in my signing process.php. Firstly, I start my session because we have to, when we use session, we have to start session option. So in here I start my session, and here I use my session, and in here I use my session part. I sign to my in here I use session and I gave you and it's signed to my session and I signed to $D. After that, I'm going to my header.php. So in here also I start my session. After that I create if so in here I gave reset and I using session u and I assign to my data in here. In here you can see I give span and give paragraph like welcome. After that I use PHP in here using my session. In here when we sign in client account, in here my ecommerce application view their name. You can see my paragraph and my account name in here. This is the job of that line. That's my header.php. Now I'm going to explain my home.php. In here I connect my database and assign to category RS. Also I give query for that, and I also give numbers to check my rows. After that I create for loop in here. In here I give option tag and I give PHP in my option option tag. After that you can see my cursor part. I explain my previous video. You can see it in my channel. After that here also I am using my session part for cursor. In here I connect my database and I give query for query like select all from my product via category ID, and I assign to $C data. In here and status ID 1 order by date type added. In this query, it's mean we limit our projects, limit our items. It's we limit to 4 items, so we can't add more than 4. So after that I gave numbers for check that. After that I gave for loop in here. Also after that I create I link database and I gave query that is select all from image where product ID product data. It's signed to ID. So in this part, you can see in this data I give product title and its price and its price in here. After that, I give that item in stock or out of stock. After my another span, I gave how many item I have. Also, I gave two buttons in here: buy now option and add to cart option. Or I gave else because we have like out of stock items also. So I gave out of stock span and I gave zero. I gave another span like 0 items available. Because that's why we use out of stock, because we haven't any items to sell. So after that I gave another button and buy now option and add to cart option, but we can't use that buttons because when we have out of stock we can't give buy now option or add to cart option because we haven't any items to sell. So we can't use these buttons. Like alright guys, this is my backend part. Now I'm going to my home page. As you can see, previously I told my title and my price of my my item, and I gave it's in stock or out stock, and I gave how many items I have. So there is my buttons, buy now option and add to cart option, and it's this is the out of stock looks like. I told you it's can't buy. You can see I can't buy it because there is no stock in my eShop, so we can't sell it. Bye guys, this is my video. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.